Hey there. First off, welcome to this page. If you're on this page, then you're looking to learn how you can turn simple AI ebooks, audiobooks, and reports into thousands of leads and profit every month, right? If so, you're on the right page. On this page, we'll show you the #1 way to create, design, and publish profit-producing ebooks and audiobooks for any niche in a matter of minutes. No writing or design skills are needed. Everything is done for you by AI, literally. The writing, the design, the images, the formatting, everything is handled. We'll even show you step-by-step how to quickly get your ebook on Amazon's Kindle platform so you can start making money fast. You're minutes away from accessing the most advanced AI that will write, design, and format ebooks for you. And it will also automatically turn those ebooks into audiobooks for you. We've made creating and profiting from AI-written ebooks and audiobooks as simple as following our 4-step process. Step 1 is to log in and tell our AI what you want. In Step 2, you let the AI write, design, and format it all. In Step 3, you monetize it with your affiliate links and call to action. And in Step 4, you publish and start collecting leads and profit right away. And want to know the best part? All 4 of these steps are completed for you in 10 minutes or less with our AI engine. You're not doing the work, you're just pushing the buttons. You're not having to do any research or writing. You're not hiring a design team. The AI is your team. And right now, for a limited time, you can secure access to eBook Valet for a one-time early bird price that saves you 73% off. This is your shot to automate your entire leads and sales getting process. Without experience, without sales skills, without wasting hours on research, writing, or designing. And yes, it's all 100% AI generated with studio quality clarity. Our custom-trained AI engine lets you instantly create profit-producing ebooks in any niche, language, or topic without writing a single word yourself. Just tell it your topic, pick your language, and set your desired length. And a few minutes later, your entire ebook is done for you in under 10 minutes. Plus, you'll even get access to over a dozen pre-written ebooks in the hottest niches, each with a full 7-day follow-up email sequence. Before today, creating ebooks used to suck. Seriously, they were a huge pain in your behind. Trust me, I wrote several in multiple niches, from how to play chess to mastering WordPress site setup, and I wrote every word myself. It was absolutely exhausting. Hours of research, endless writing, and dealing with freelancers who ghost you or deliver low-quality work. Then came spending more money on editing, formatting, and cover design. And let's not forget trying to convert it into a PDF that doesn't look like a 4th grader made it. On top of all that, you'd do all that work before even making your first dollar. And if you wanted to turn it into an audiobook, forget it. I hope you've got a $3,000 studio and a professional voice talent. I don't blame you if you quit before you even started. I wanted to quit multiple times while writing my ebooks over a decade ago, especially when writing about a niche I wasn't an expert in. That meant even more research before I began. However, even though the process was painful, many of us still pushed through, and I would do it all over again if I had to. Why? Because ebooks have always been a goldmine, and they still are. In fact, the ebook industry is projected to surpass $15 billion by 2027. The audiobook market is expected to hit over $35 billion by 2030. People love to read and listen on the go. Ebooks and audiobooks remain one of the fastest ways to build a brand, build trust, and generate income. Now, we've made it easier, faster, and more profitable to tap into both of these billion-dollar markets. Introducing eBook Valet, the most powerful push-button ebook and audiobook creation app, powered by AI. We've eliminated the headaches, costs, and confusion of ebook and audiobook creation, replacing them with one-click simplicity. Do you want to write a full ebook in any niche, any language, with zero writing or design skills? Now you can. Want to add affiliate links, your own call to action, or link out to your services? Now you can. Want to convert it into an audiobook with one click? You guessed it. Now you can. You're minutes away from being able to build instant authority and create profit-pulling digital products at the click of your mouse. But don't take my word for it. Go right below this video and see just how easy it is to create ebooks and audiobooks in any niche using eBook Valet. I promise you've never seen anything like this. And when you're done watching the demo, reading through some of the ebook samples, and reviewing the limited time bonuses, make sure to choose the option that's right for you. And of course, we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so confident in how powerful and how much value eBook Valet can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a full 30-day, no-questions-asked money-back guarantee. Just show us that you put eBook Valet into action in your business, and if the speed and quality of the ebooks and audiobooks don't absolutely blow you away, we will give you a full refund right away. Go ahead and hit the discount button below.